In the ever-evolving world of robotics, innovation meets competition at the highest level. The FIRA Roboworld Cup, a global arena where creativity, precision, and teamwork collide in a celebration of technological excellence. This year, our journey to the FIRA Roboworld Cup 2025 begins with innovation. Our team meticulously designed robot components, from solenoid-driven tires to precision-engineered arcs, where all items was crafted by using advanced 3D printing technology. Preparation is the heartbeat of performance. Each day, our team trains across multiple FIRA disciplines. Autonomous robots on soccer field, where RobotSod pushes the boundaries of autonomy with only code, strategy, and decision-making in real time, without human control. HuroCup training was a true test of engineering excellence, which drills our robots in diverse challenges, combining motion, balance, and adaptability. MyBot Android soccer robot matches, where robots take the field with real soccer battles.
Hearts beating in the same code, gears and sparks pave our road. Together we stand as one machine. PKB's fire burns fierce and keen.
Behind every robot is a team. There are a family of thinkers, doers, and dreamers. Together, we grow through setbacks, recalibrate through failure, and rise with every breakthrough.
Through every storm, through every fall, we'll rise higher, we'll take it all. PKB's spirit won't be denied. Bound by joy and the power inside. Teamwork blazing like a sunbeam, grinding hard for the ultimate dream. Legend FIRA leads us to the sky. We'll rise together.
On the 20th of June 2025, our journey was officially launched. The flag off, led by our respected director, T.S. Hisham bin Maktar, is a moment of pride with a symbolic send-off. To share our story and inspire others, we also appeared on the podcast Kami Kecik Demo Dengar.
Malaysian Roboworld Cup 2025. Kejohanan yang kali ke-18 peringkat kebangsaan.
Ya, betul. Kali ini kita mencatat sejarah menyertai 16 pertandingan, kira terbanyak dalam sejarah PKB.
Wow. That's a very orang kata pencapaian yang amazing.
Ni kita dah memula 10 hari bulan.
Persiapan
dan intensif latihan untuk kejohanan.
Sepanjang kita menyertai itu, setakat ni alhamdulillah 2 kali kita ke international lah. Yang pertama tahun 2019 di Chiang Mai, dan yang kedua bulan 1 baru ni di Busan, Korea.
Share ilmu robotics, share ilmu STEM, TVET ni ya. Untuk TVET keseluruhan ni kita pergi tanpa sepadan, kita kata.
Sangat menarik selain daripada mengajar robotik kepada pelajar PKB sendiri, kelab robotik di PKB turut memberi impak kepada komuniti luar daripada PKB menyediakan modul-modul latihan untuk sekolah-sekolah menengah.
Jadi kita dah buat berbagai kursus dengan JPN Negeri Kelantan, PPD Pasir Mas.
The road to FIRA Roboworld Cup 2025 is more than a journey. It is a declaration that we dare to dream, dare to build, and dare to lead. From Politeknik Kota Bharu to Politeknik Merlimau Melaka, PKB legend, Boleh.
PKB FIRA takkan goyah. Semangat kami api membara. Bersatu kita teguh melangkah, menang jadi mimpi yang indah. Tiada apa mampu patahkan legenda kita.
Every challenge we face is a step forward. Over the years, our robotics team has made Malaysia proud.
keras takkan sia-sia. Jatuh bangun kami percaya.
Each medal, each applause, is a symbol of countless hours of dedication, coding, testing, and teamwork. We brought home the gold medal in HuroCup weightlifting, a category that demands strength, stability, and precision from humanoid robots. And in HuroCup triple jump, our robots soared to earn the bronze medal, showcasing agility, balance, and intelligent movement programming. Success is never by chance, it's earned through grit, passion, and perseverance. At the recent competition, our team proved that spirit.